The highway that will be constructed by this company symbolizes connectivity, and it will be the first toll highway in Madagascar. And it will reduce, like we have been told, the distance, the time taken to travel from Antananarivo to the city of Toamasina by 110 kilometers or by 6 hours. That benefit in terms of money, in terms of manpower, in terms of cost, will be a great addition to the people of Madagascar. This reduced time will create opportunity for the people of Madagascar by opening new avenues for commerce and facilitating socio-economic development.
So I think in terms of infrastructure development, I think this company is doing something many other companies have not done. And you see, Africa is lagging behind because of infrastructure. Africa has 1 million tarmac roads. 1 million.